Nowadays, everyone craves for a slim body because it is not only simply a perfect beauty but also closely related to your health. According to many studies, overweight people have a higher incidence of dangerous diseases than normal people, like high blood pressure, high bad cholesterol, cardiovascular disease, and osteoarthritis. If you are in this case, we have good news for you. In this video, we will show you how to make a safe home weight loss drink that is efficient and takes only 5 minutes to prepare. Drink it and your weight loss dream will come true. A lot of people have regained their perfect physique with this drink made by two cheap and familiar ingredients. Before we begin the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to never miss the exciting videos like this waiting for you every day. The first ingredient of this weight loss recipe is apple. Prepare one apple and cut it into thin slices. Apples are poor full of sodium, calories, and fat. In contrast, they bring in a large amount of fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients to help speed up the metabolism process to burn fat more easily, make you full longer, and reduce appetite. Besides, its pectin content helps regulate blood sugar and contribute to eliminating excess fat. After cutting your apple into thin slices, you take one glass jug and put the apple slices at the bottom of the jug. Next, add 6 or 8 ice cubes. You can adjust the amount of ice according to your wishes. The next ingredient of this recipe is cinnamon. You can use cinnamon powder or cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon is said to increase insulin sensitivity and decrease blood sugar, both key components for losing weight and controlling type 2 diabetes. Cinnamon is also thought to boost metabolism because your body uses more energy to process the spice than it does for other foods. It is full of fiber, a nutrient that is essential for achieving the full feeling and signaling to your body that mealtime is over. Now, add half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder into the jug. If you use cinnamon sticks, add 2 sticks. Finally, pour 1 liter of water in the jug. You should use filtered water to get the full benefit. Then, mix well to combine the ingredients together. Now, you need to put this jug in the refrigerator for about 10 to 20 minutes before drinking. After this time, stir again before drinking, since the ingredients tend to sink to the bottom of the jar, especially the cinnamon powder. How to use: drink this drink during the day on an empty stomach. Consume it every day for at least a month to detoxify organs. This drink promotes body purification, promotes metabolism, and creates ideal conditions for weight loss. After achieving your ideal weight, you can maintain using this drink as a good supporter of your body cleanse.